In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Vantage account to MetaTrader 5. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is have your MetaTrader 5 installed, and then you want to log in to your Vantage account. Now, once you're inside your Vantage account, you can either, of course, connect a live account or a demo account. Now, it's going to be exactly the same process, but for this instance, I'm going to show you how to do it with a demo account. So click and switch the demo account here, or the live account, whichever you want, and then click on Open Account. Here you can select, of course, live or demo. Again, I'm going to go ahead and select demo. And then when you have to choose a trading platform, make sure you actually select recommended MetaTrader 5. Now, once you do this, you can then choose an account type. You can go with standard, raw, or perpetual. I'm going to go with standard. After that, you will have to choose your account currency. I'm going to go with USD. And then your leverage. I'm going to go 100 to 1. And then your account balance, which I will put 10K for. After that, click on submit. And there we go, it will say open an account, your account has been opened. Now there we go, I have just opened this account over here. Now, once you do this, you will actually get an email inside your email inbox in which there you will see three things. You will see an MT5 login, an MT5 password, and then MT5 server, okay? I'm not going to show you what they look like, so you can't actually see my password because you can just see it on the screen inside your email. But trust me, you'll get the email, you know what I'm talking about. After this, what you then have to do is you want to open up MT5 on your computer. You want to go to File, top left, and then you want to click on Open an Account. In here, you want to look for Vantage. So just go for Vantage, type that in, and click on Find Your Company. After a few seconds, you'll be able to find Vantage over here. As you can see, there's a bunch of them. Now, click on this one, Vantage, FX, etc. Click on this one, and then what you have to do is basically click on Next over here. And then after a few seconds, you want to click on connect with an existing trade account, okay? Now, over here, in case you have your Vantage FX, so if that's, of course, what you are having, what you have to do over here is basically just put it in. But in case your server inside your email does not say Vantage or FX or whatever, and it says like Vantage International, whatever, you'll have to go back and then you'll have to select the international one over here. So for me, it was actually the international one, so I made a mistake earlier, and I'm gonna go over here, gonna click on next. And in here is going to be the same process. There we go. Connect an existing account. And then in my email, it says Vantage International Demo. This is it over here. And then the password, I'm just going to paste it in here. So for my email, there we go. That's going to be the password. And then the MT5 login is going to be this thing over here. Then you want to click on finish. And after you do that, you first get the error message.
Incoming mail.
And there we go, then it says incoming mail, and you get the check mark message, which means everything is completely fine, and you have successfully connected Vantage to your MT5 account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.